Hello there, I'm Baasit Siddiqui, TV personality and experienced educator. For over 15 years, I've worked in the world of education, working with thousands of young people across hundreds of educational settings. I focus on motivating the next generation, helping to build their confidence, skill set, and knowledge of the career and entrepreneurial opportunities out there for them. I pride myself in working with pupils from disadvantaged backgrounds and use Learn by Stealth project-based competitions and activities to help them to see the link between the world of education and its undeniably positive impact on their future prospects. Now, over the last 5 years, I've had the utmost privilege of delivering keynotes to teachers, leaders, and everyone who works within the education setting. My talks provide advice and support based on my experiences across the educational ecosystem, but at their core, I get to celebrate and champion the good work being done by good people in the increasingly challenging but always rewarding world of education. So, if you'd like to find out more, please do reach out to the Learning Lion team to see if I can add value to your next event. Thank you very much.